Hi. Who's the pee-pee head? I don't think it's you. I think it's that one. I don't think it's you. Look at that. Just like magic. No more bacteria. No more lingering bacteria. But we absolutely have to work on the front end of the area rug. Since we work from the back, it's only natural that it's going to come forward. But again, no match for us. Our chemistry is like no other. Very low moisture, so your carpets are going to dry within 90 minutes, maybe 60 by the time that we walk out. So again, guys, keep that in perspective. Keep it clean. It's eco-friendly. It's green, okay? It's green.